message is transmitted at the request of Semland Health Services. A fire is burning at the SMD cement plant, and emergency crews are actively on the scene. Anyone within a 15-mile radius of the plant is being ordered to shelter in place until further notice.